Ndewono mama. Happy to see you. You're welcome to another wonderful time with Teacher Princess. Today we're going to continue the third part of our series that we started on learning the words and opposites of different words. But before we get to class, if you haven't liked this video, shared, subscribed, what are you waiting for? Get to it right now and let's get into our class. So let's get started. In this session, we're going to learn how to talk about something that is clean and something that is dirty. Now, if we want to talk about something that is dirty, we say o rurunyi. Say with me, o rurunyi. It is dirty. Say it again, o rurunyi. It is dirty. And then if we want to say it is clean, we say o diocha. It is clean. Say it with me, o diocha. It is clean. Good job. Well done. Look at the dirty plates. This plate, oruruni, right? And this other one, odiocha. Excellent. Good job. Now, I want to talk about someone that is far or someone that is near. How do we talk about it? We can say, ono ebe dianya. For something to dianya is far, or dianya is far. Some other people say oteraka. But I'm going to just, for uniformity, we'll stick to this. Say, ono ebe dianya. Again, ono ebe dianya. She is far. This girl, she's far. But this boy, ono ebe din. So he is near. He's in a place that is near, right? Say it again. Ono ebe din. So he is near. For the last time, ono ebe dianya. She is far, and ono ebe din. So he is near. Good job. So look at them. Okay, moving on. We want to learn how to say old and new. If something is old, we say ochie. Say it with me again. Ochie. Again, ochie. But if it is new, we say ohoro. Again, ohoro. Again, ohoro. Look at this shoe. This one is ochie. The other one, the ohoro. Excellent. The next thing we're going to learn how to say is a rich person and a poor person. A rich person is called ogaranya. Can you say it with me? Ogaranya. Again, ogaranya. A poor person is called obenye. Say with me, obenye. Again, obenye. So this is a rich person. This is the ogaranya. The ogaranya is giving this money to this obenye, right? Ogaranya and obenye. Amazing. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is how to say when something is wet and when something is dry. Look at this clothes that was washed. You can see it's still dripping, right? It's still dripping. How do we say it's wet? We say obu miri. Say it again. Obu miri. Obu miri. It is wet. Okabu miri is still wet. Obu miri. All right, that's it here. Dripping water. The other one that is dry, look at this one, is dry now because the sun, right, it's been shining and then it's now dry. We can say okorako. It is dry. Say it with me again. Okorako. Again, okorako. So we have obumiri and we also have okoroako. Good job. Now let's look at this picture. What do you see here? One empty cup and the other cup that is full. How do we say it is empty and also say it is full in Igbo? We say for it is empty, we say otobochako. Say it again. Otobochako. It is empty. Again, otobochako. It is empty. Now, if we want to say it is full, we say ojureju. It is full. Again, ojureju. It is full. For the last time, o jurueju, it is full. So we have otobochako and ojurueju. Well done. Have you liked this video? Have you shared? Have you subscribed? If you haven't done it, then you are so wrong. We want to feel your support. We don't just want to know you support us. We want to feel it. We want to see it in your shares, in your likes, in your beautiful comments. Okay? Let's go to the next one. The next one we see is someone that is happy and someone that is sad. So if you're happy, this happy girl, we can say, obi ụtọ. O nwere gịnị? Obi ụtọ. She is happy. Say it with me. Obi ụtọ. Again, obi ụtọ, happy. Again, obi ụtọ, happy. Now, mwute, sad. Mwute, sad. So this girl, na mwute, right? She's sad. Obi ụtọ and mwute. Okay, it's time for our questions. Are you excited? We're gonna match. I want you to match the words to the correct photos. If you need to pause this video to take a look at the pictures well and choose your answers, please pause, ask an adult around you to help you to decide if you're right or wrong, right? All right, let's go. But if you don't get it right, it's not bad. Just go back to the video, start from the beginning, and watch it to this point, and you're going to get it right. Now let's go. Which one is orurunyi? Match. Which one is odiocha? Match. Which one is ono ebedi anya? Which one is ono ebedi nso? Match. Which one is ochie? Match. Which one is ohoro? Match. The next page of our task. Who is the ogaranya? Match. Who is the ogbenye? Match. What is otobochako? Match. What is ojurueju? Match. What is obumiri? Match. What is okorako? Match. What is obiuto? Match. What is unwute? Match. Did you get your answers correctly? How was that? Did you get your questions correctly? If you want more opportunities to practice and ask me anything you want, then you need to get into class, right? It's either you're getting into the group classes that we're having this Easter or you're booking for your personalized class. If you answered your questions correctly, just know that I am super happy for you and I love the progress that you are making. That will be all for this series for now. But next week, we're going to bring you another interesting lesson. I am hoping that you continue to speak Igbo throughout the week. I'm hoping that you send a message to this number to book your classes. And I'm also hoping that I will see you in the next video. Till I come your way next time, Ngwano, Kodi, Na Supwa.